Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can create an Unturned server in 2022. Firstly, you want to download Steam CMD. You'll have this folder once you've extracted it with only steamcmd.exe. You want to run that. Once you've run that, you want to type the following: login space anonymous. It will then connect you to the Steam servers. Give it a second. After that, you want to type the following: app_update space 1110390. Hit enter. It will download for you, and once that is done, you can type quit. After that, you want to go to Steam Apps, Common, U3DS. These folders will be in your Steam CMD folder, so pay attention to that. You'll see there is this example server.bat. Want to right click that, edit it, scroll down to the very bottom, and you'll see the following command: start, and then a bunch of quotations and other commands. For you, it will say LAN server, and then whatever the server folder you want to name that, put that in there. Once you've done that, well, we'll just call it server with lowercase. Control S, close that, run that, and then give it a second to load the server. Once that is finished, you can type shutdown. You'll go to the servers folder, and then you'll see this one, lowercase server. That's what we named it. We'll go to the server folder inside the server folder, open commands.dat. Now you can type your regular commands for how you want to set up the server. So we'll call it test server. The map will make Russia. Mode will be hard. Perspective will be both. I'll leave a link in the description to other commands you can put in here, but for now that's all we're going to put in. I'm going to hit Control S, close that, go back, then you'll see the config.json. Open that, and you'll see you can disable the anti-cheat, battle eye. You can increase the maximum ping or decrease it if you want to. And scroll down to easy. You'll see you can change the item spawns, everything like that, but we're not going to do that now. You can mess with that on your own accord. Once you've done that, go back to your Steam CMD folder, Steam Apps, Common, U3DS, and then launch that example server.bat again. You'll see that it successfully set the name to test server, Russia, and hard, and the perspective was changed to both. If it freezes, hit enter, and then you'll give it a second to boot up again. Once it has booted up, you can type debug, and it will give you the IP and port for your server. You want to type the IP, port, and leave the password blank since you didn't put a password. In-game, by your connect tab, you want to type the IP and port and leave the password blank, and then you can connect to your server. If you like this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below, and I will respond as quickly as I can. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.